we're UK Care Guide. We're dedicated to providing clear, comprehensive information and advice for individuals needing care and their families. In this video, we're going to discuss writing a will. Although it's not pleasant to think about the future in this way, it's really important that you have a will in place. So what is a will and why do you need one? A will is a legal document which clearly sets out how you would like your assets to be taken care of when you are gone. It also allows you to express your wishes regarding the care of children should you leave anyone behind who is dependent on you. If you don't have a will, you will die intestate. This means that your assets will be divided using a legal calculation and you may not be able to provide as you'd like to for your family. So how can you make a will? There are two ways to make a will. You can write a will yourself or enlist professional help from a solicitor who specialises in writing wills. You should review your will from time to time and small changes are permitted. Wills are difficult to change completely, but you can write a new will to replace an old one should you wish. What is the cost of making a will? A singular will for one person costs anywhere between £100 and £250 when it is drawn up by a solicitor. A joint will drawn up for both yourself and another person in partnership, usually a spouse, costs anywhere between £200 and £350. If you don't choose to enlist the help of a solicitor, how do you make a will yourself? To write a will yourself, all you need to do is write down your wishes and get someone to witness the document for you. This person must not be a beneficiary of the will and must not be related to a beneficiary of the will. Will writing kits are available, but these should always be purchased from a reputable source. You should only write a will yourself if your wishes are very basic and your financial situation is simple. For anyone who is worried about inheritance tax or who possesses multiple assets, it's always best to get professional help. If you choose not to write the will yourself, you'll need a will writing service. Will writing services are available from large firms and individuals alike. Some solicitors are office-based, while some will come to your home to discuss your will with you. You can find a list of reputable will writers in our specialist directory here. If you are writing a will in Scotland, then the information in this video still applies to you, but there are a few legal aspects of will writing which are different. For example, in Scotland, you are required by law to leave a portion of your estate to your spouse and children. If you are writing a will in Scotland, please refer to our article for further information. It's important to remember that even if you are relatively young and are in good health, if you have any assets, are married or have children, it is incredibly important to write a will now to ensure that they are protected and provided for in the future. If you need additional support or would like to learn more about making a will, you can find further information here on our website.